in the turnpike. Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. All right, y'all, what you gonna get in this box is a charge case, 2 microphones, and a microphone for a camera. That's in a charge case. If you buy the kit like me, you'll get the transmitter for an iPhone with the lightning cable and a transmitter for a USB-C type. You got stickers that you can customize your microphone with. I'm probably just gonna go with the black one, y'all. Cover it up. You could put this little thing anywhere. They have 2 little wind socks. So if it's super windy outside, it'll block some of that. So that's gonna come in handy. Comes with 2 necklaces. This is pretty cool, y'all. So if you're doing an interview, you can just hand somebody this right here, pop it on, and they wearing it. You ain't even gotta do nothing, and they hand it back to you when you're done the interview. Typically, you're just gonna use the mic and a magnet, pop it on. Man, that's nice, ain't it, y'all? That's my Mississippi accent. Right now, y'all are hearing my voice through the iPhone 13's microphone, so this isn't on yet. Comes with, if you don't want to use the magnet, you could put it on this clip, and you could just clip it to you. You could clip it to this. You could clip it on a hat right fast. Whatever. Pretty nifty. If y'all wondering what's on the table, that's sweat because it's about 400 degrees in this shop, y'all. Comes with an aux cord if you're using it with a camera. And it also comes with a USB-C style charger to charge your carry case. Very handy. And it also comes with good instructions and this nice little tote case. Let's get into it. What y'all are really here for, and that's microphone testing. Because if y'all like me, y'all are outside, y'all are in a shop, you got a fan going, you got people cutting grass, trains blowing horns, kids running around, you got everything. All these little reviews I'm seeing of this little microphone set right here is people sitting in a quiet house with the TV off, no kids. You ain't really testing this microphone, baby, because I'm about to test it. Let's get into it. I'm Mikey, and I'm Jacob with Duhe Speed Shop. And we're here today to test the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. Currently, we got my shop fan on high, and y'all are listening to us through the iPhone 13's microphone. I'm Mikey. And I'm Jacob with Duhe Speed Shop. And we're testing out Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. Currently, we have the microphone on, and it's on regular, no noise cancellation. It's on medium volume. How does it sound? Does it sound sexy or no? Fan is still currently on high over there, y'all. I'm Mikey. And I'm Jacob with Duhe Speed Shop, and we testing out Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. Right now, we got the microphone on noise cancellation, volume on medium, noise cancellation on strong, and my fan is still blowing that wide open throttle. How does this sound? Does it sound good or no? Check out that sexy square body dude. Let's check out this microphone, no noise cancellation with the wind muff. Oh, I'm around in the turnpike. She's running real nice. Let's do a wheelie. Real nice. All right, y'all. Let's go check out the LS engine underneath the hood of my 1986 square body C30 dually. First, let me pop the hood. Oh, pulling that handle. Give it a pop, Mikey. All right, Mikey, step back. I'm gonna open this hood. Oh yeah. What we got here, y'all, is a 5.3 liter with a Muncie 4-speed. Just kidding, it's just a SM 465 Granny 4-speed. Step a little closer, Mikey. I wanted it to look like a bone stock 2002 Yukon under here. So if I go to O'Reilly's, I could ask for anything, and this is where it's coming from. And then guess what? If it breaks down in the middle of nowhere, I'm gonna take off running just like this. Mikey, what does this sound like? Does it sound good? Bees, bees. Bees are under the hood. I was running. Heck yeah. Duhe Speed Shop. We don't just work on cars, we run fast. And we were recording open mic, no wind cover or sock, whatever you want to call that. And we were on regular mode, no noise cancellation. Hey y'all, this is gonna be our most common type of scenario for us as mechanics. We're in the shop, we got a fan on us at all times. Sometimes a compressor might even be running. And we over here, Mikey, go ahead and ham it a 916. All right, Jake. All right, Jake. All right. That was regular old iPhone 13 microphone right there. Now we're on Hollyland Lark M2 microphone with noise cancellation on. And this is how we're gonna spend 98% of our time as mechanics with microphones. Underneath a car, tightening bolts, doing other stuff, banging on stuff, fan blowing on us wide open. And right now, hopefully you're able to hear me. Cut that other fan on for them too, Mikey. This is noise cancellation. So we're gonna see how it works. Typically, I'd be like, Mikey, ham it a 9/16.
All right, here's the 9/16.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Hey, Mikey, you can go see what that noise is in the back of the car.
Yeah, let me go look in the back of the car.
You hear anything?
Now, it's just weak shocks. Pan hard bar looks like a spaghetti noodle.
10-4. That's why we're gonna be doing a QA1 suspension upgrade here, Sean.
That's right.
All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and cut y'all off right here. Hopefully, this review was everything you wanted it to be. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit subscribe button, hit like, hit the bell notification. It can only help me and Mikey. We're just trying to give y'all some good quality content. And matter of fact, I'm from South Louisiana, he's from Mississippi, and whenever I'm around him, I won't talk like this for some odd reason. But this really how I talk. Hey, y'all making our partner. We're gonna eat a couple links of boudin. Later.